choice. Okay. Okay. What are the choice? Alright, wait. Oh no. Alright. What is this? Yes.
6-7.
Saan ito? Okay. Okay. Never mind. It's better than flying. It's better. Can't go. Wait. Let me just say. Bro, how did they? Yeah, let me just try this. Let me try this out. But why can't I untwine? Oh my gosh. Wait. Let me just try this. Bro. Can I be invisible? Invisible? Wait. Yeah, I can't be invisible. So I can just bro. You see, I just walked into the wall. Like, bro. Scooter. Let me just. Oh. So. Yeah. Wait, can I X-ray? X-ray? Guys, maka-fly ko. I'm admin. Kung dili ako X-ray, baka di tanawa apple. Apple tanawa.
Sa Garland na village doon. Nabigyan mo princess overnight.
I can't fly sa...
Ay, ano ko mo dito ganito?
Because I'm admin. Let me just fly. Dahil maka-fly up. Because I'm admin. Okay. Oh. Ouch. ouch, 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 ouch. Oh my gosh. Nice. Oh my gosh. Tung, 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 tung. 6 seconds. Aray, ay, aray, aray. Oh my gosh. That is so boring, admin. It's so boring. Like, I can't just walk through. Apple, pwede ko mag-walk to walls. Pwede ako maka-walk to walls. No, it's not. Oh. Aray! Unfly na ako. Unfly. Aray! Admin. I just buy Robuxes.
Damo ano tem Robux?
Huh?
Damo ano tem Robux?
That's 25 to admin. Bye. Bye-bye. I'm going to win. Adog ako gigamit a kwarta. Maguti naman to ta kwarta pero ako lang gisugad ba? Ako lang
Ang imuhang Robux?
Ako lang gibay ta ko Robux. Lagi nga nung di man niha ako. Okay, I'm dying. Okay, bye-bye. But let me just fly for a bit. Let me just fly. Fly. Oh my gosh, just let me just fly. Alright, oi. Oh my gosh. So let me just hack this car. Don't. Guys, sorry because my other account I got banned. Just look. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired walking through walls. Oh my gosh, you're so dumb. Let me see. Bro, let me. Bro, just let me unfly. Unfly. Thank you. No, I'm gonna just fly. I can't. Okay. Don't. Bro, can I just fly at the back? But I can fly. Why can't I fly? Finally. Oh, this is all. Wait, can I go through? Oh my gosh.
6-7.
This doesn't even. Ouch. Please don't hurt me.
Nanay!
Oh my gosh.
Ganyan sa din deliver ha, Ibon. Mga great. Wari mo nga i-deliver ha kalutan? Naghihina ka na ko. Parungan mo man ako. Kung makato ka mga downtown, ikalayo na nakakalutang. Nakakalutan, kaya di ako didik.
Let me just finish.
Ano?
Oh my gosh, why can't you?
Naghihina ka na ko kanina. Nakadala, nagtawag ako. Parungan mo lang ako. Akala ko okay ka na. Nagtawag ka na. Oo, mga to downtown nga, eh. Mag-DJ ka sa lahat nila. Magbayad na yan, eh. Sige, pero kung dire, DJ ka sa lahat nila.
Why can't I just be invisible? Invisible, oh no. Oh my gosh. Reward. Oh my gosh.
Nanay!
And
Nanay! Duhala ka, karapit ka to, kalutang.
oh,
Duhala.
please,
Eh, di ba nayaka na ako sa nga, nakululan yung deliver ka to, ganripak-ripak, nga duha? Oo. Duhala, ikaw duha, Ira.
But didn't you forget I can fly?
Oo, ayun lang ako. May nakakuha nito. Ako nagbuhan na ito.
What is superstitious?
Ako nagbuhan na ito. Oo, nagpupuan.
I'm fine.
Ayun, ipapilin.
Boom. Do you miss me?
Hindi ko na mamati na ako. Hindi na ba na?
Fine. Let me just do. Boom! 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 Oh no, so low. Okay, bye guys. See you in the next video.
Ano na?